Hi, I'm Travis Lafferty. I'm the plant manager here at Glenmore. Here at Glenmore we have a 5 megawatt biogas plant producing 2,000 cubes of biogas per hour. Our biogas plant is located on Glenmore Estate near Ballybuffet, County Donegal. We produce 3 products here at Glenmore. We produce biomethane from the raw biogas, as well as liquefied CO2 and digestate, otherwise known as biofertilizer. We operate a virtual pipeline for the distribution of biomethane to our customers. Currently, there's no access to the national grid here on site.
Hello, I'm Angela McNamee and I'm the Compliance Administrator here at Glenmore Generation. Here we accept 90,000 tonnes of non-hazardous biodegradable waste, primarily comprising of agriculture and food waste. So we operate under 2 licences, the Environmental Protection Agency licence and the Department of Agriculture, Food and the Marine licence. We're situated adjacent to the River Finn, which is a special area of conservation. We carry out full analysis on a regular basis of surface and groundwaters around the site, and we also carry out daily checks on surface waters. The plant itself is bonded and self-contained with 0 water discharge, and this is recycled through the plant for pasteurising. All incoming wastes at particular stages of the digestion process and the products produced by the plant all go through regular testing and analysis. Some of this testing is carried out in-house, with the majority of it sent off for external testing by various certified labs. So health and safety is at the forefront of all levels of work here at Glenmore. Working with machinery, wastes, water at high temperatures and of course gas dictates high level of staff competency and dedication in creating and maintaining a safe working environment. We have strict health and safety policies and procedures within the plant from the beginning of the process, from waste loading, plant maintenance, gas monitoring and working in ATEX zones. But most importantly, these are all enforced by operations and health and safety training by all staff on the ground.
We feed our fermenters at a continuous feed over 24 hours. This allows us to feed the fermenters at a very stable and reliable rate. We use a blend tank feeding regime for this. This allows us to mix the feedstocks while shredding them down to 12 ml for the optimization of gas production. Our fermenters diet is made up from non-hazardous biodegradable waste and other products produced here on Glenmore Estate, such as silage, cattle manure and cattle slurry. We have 4 fermenters in total, 3 primary, 1 secondary. The fermenters are mesophilic and continuously mixed. This gives the best chance of production for our 2 main gas types, carbon dioxide and methane. For the gas upgrading, we use the pure gas plant. The plant takes in raw biogas and upgrades it to biomethane and carbon dioxide while removing any impurities in the gas. Biomethane is then taken from the system, compressed to 250 bar in our MEGC canisters, where it is distributed to large industrial customers, where the gas is then converted into electricity and heat via a private wire or injected into the national grid. After the upgrader, our CO2 is taken to the recovery plant, where it will be produced into a liquefied carbon dioxide. The final product of our process is the digestate. Our digestate goes through a very thorough pasteurisation process where we heat the digestate above 72 degrees for 62 minutes to eliminate the possibility of E. coli and salmonella. We carry out various testing on digestate weekly and monthly to ensure that the digestate complies with the Department of Agriculture and the Environmental Protection Agency standards.
Hi, Pat Lockman's my name. I'm the farm manager here at Glenmore Farming Groups. Today we're on the Greenan Estate Farm in Burt, County Donegal. We're spreading digestate or bioorganic fertiliser here today using a team of herring tankers with snorkels and the Vervat self-propelled tanker. The Vervat self-propelled tanker is equipped with NAR sensor, GPS guidance, GPS section control also. The reason we have the equipment on the tanker is to allow us to spread the biofertiliser, which is very high in NP and K, at the correct rate to suit the land based on soil samples and yield mapping. The NIR sensor is measuring your NP and your K and applying the correct amount per acre. So today we're varying anywhere from 1,500 gallons to 3,500 gallons per acre, depending on our NIR sensor results. Also, with the Vervat and the GPS and the Trimble control, we can measure our distance from our watercourses, our boundaries, our fences, and maintain the correct buffer zone in each field. So it allows us to make maximum use of the digestate, which in turn allows us to reduce our fertiliser usage by 80%. We then can grow the crops for the dairy farm and also for the biogas plant. So it's a fully circular economy. The silage goes to the cows, any waste, any slurry goes to our AD plant, along with some silage grown for the AD plant. We're also growing grain for sale and also grain for usage within the dairy herd. And the digestate is an integral part of all of that. It allows us to keep costs very low while also reducing our carbon footprint by reducing the amount of chemical fertiliser we need. And with the equipment we have, it allows us to do that in a very safe manner, given the GPS guidance, our NIR scanners and all the other equipment that comes on the machine.